let's see what daily profits. And today's Thursday, June 16th. So basically, woke up this morning. There's about two stocks that are actually interested. SIDU, which did a really nice move in the pre-market. As you can see, around 7 o'clock, it starts moving above this red line, which is the volume weighted average, and then it broke 650, and then it just consolidated for just a little bit. And then once it broke 70, it went straight to $6 and all the way up to $6.93, as you can see here. And so right now what it's doing, it was moving sideways. It was in a range, and I broke this range. It's still in this range right now, as you can see. So it's getting really tight. So it's up, down, up. Down, up, down, up. So in a zigzag type of pattern. And then once it gets really tight, it's either gonna break for the break of 7 or drop. So we're gonna wait to see what this one wants to do. As you can see, it's still holding the 21 moving average, which is the yellow, the green line. So this one can be pretty interesting. It is up by $2 as of today. So we'll see what it wants to do. And we also have our DBX, which is another gapper. It is up for some quite, but it's not too much. It's up by $2, but it is at $12. So it put up a high of 13.89. So if it starts getting volume and moving towards this, I like it for this break of 13.50, which is a 13.54, which is a pivot area. If it breaks above that, then I definitely think it can hit 89. So I'll definitely be watching for it. And that's really about it in my scanners. I'm just going to be standing by to see what pops up, and then I'll go ahead and press the record button. DBX broke, bought for the break of 7. Let's see if we get a continuation here. I see 11, see 23. Looking for that continuation move. See 19. Okay, sell some off here at 22, 26, selling some off for 26, 27, 28, 30, is 34, selling some off at 39, is 40, 42, want to add for the break of 50. Big buyers at 47. See if we can break 50. Here comes 50. Some big buyers at 50. Here comes 50. Let's see if it holds above the 50 level. Okay, there's support above the 50 level. What I'm looking at is just I'm looking at the level 2 basically. Buy and sell. I keep the chart on my right hand side just to see where the stock is at in regards to patterns and stuff, but my eyes is on the level 2. So 50 needs to hold for a continuation move towards 8. Okay, there goes 60, 61. I have 625 shares at a 690 average. So I can definitely let it pull back and then I'll buy for another break. And as you can see here, volume throughout this area here, volume was very, very low. And then as it started pushing up, volume picked up and it's pulling back 2 red candles on low volume, which indicates that it can even go higher. So I want to buy for the break of 67. So holding this, still holding my position right now. So it's basically fluctuating between the 50s and the 60s. Become 62. Buyers at 50. There's some sellers that came in around 55, as you can see. Some 19,000 at 55. Some sellers at the top right here. But as you can see, 50 is still holding. So that is a good indication that, and there comes some buyers at 50 right here, 53, it's pushing the sellers up. So if this breaks, it can go even higher because these individuals will have to cover. So let's see. It is a battle right here in the 50s. So I'm just waiting to add for another break towards the highs. So it's pulling back on low volume. What we need for another high is an increase in volume for it to continue higher. Okay, here comes 61, 62, 63, buying at 64, seeing if we can move up, push my average up to 55. Let's see if we can get this move. My stop is at 40. We didn't get it. Little false break. As you can see, this candle popped up. It broke it momentarily, but it didn't break it on level 2, and it pulled all the way back. So that's fine. Buying at 68. That was a bad fill. See, sometimes it is, you got to be cautious buying at the top and around these areas because of the pullbacks. Let's see if it can break. It's pulling back. We'll hold it here because this is a new 5-minute candle. Just for just a bit. I already have a mental stop. Seeing if we can continue higher towards 770s, 80s, and for the break of 8. Here comes 70, 75, 77, 80. Let's see if we could get continuation here. 83, 85. 87. Let's see, 92. I want to add for the break of 8. I'm taking some profits here at 84. Let's see, we get that continuation for the break of 8. Taking some here. Go 92, 94, 96. I want to buy for the break of 8. Here comes 8. Here comes 808. Here we go. 810, 17. Beautiful move. Ooh wee. $21. Let's see if we can break 21. $25, $33. Selling some shares here. Beautiful move on this stock this morning. 50. I'm just taking shares off. I'm not even going to add. I only have about 196 shares left. And the stock is up about, it's up 78% for the day. All right, let's see if we get a continuation here. It needs to break above 50. This is a beautiful move. Pullback. Got faked out on just this candle here. Got faked out here. But as you can see, came back and did a beautiful break. Break of 8. We got a nice continuation all the way to 63. It's pulling back now again on a low volume. And as you can see, it could do the same thing. Push down to the non-moving average and then pop back up. So waiting to see what this one wants to do here. Oh. Big pull down. So I'm exiting all my shares. And waiting for another opportunity to get into it. CMRA is breaking. $437 is an area we need to keep an eye on for CMRA, because this was the previous day high. Not yesterday, but the day before yesterday high. It already broke for $420, 422, 24. Sellers at 27. Want to buy 26, 28. See if we can break 30. And I want to add over. Oh, here it goes. I spoke too soon. 65, 70, 80. Big buys at 84, 87. Selling some here at 83. Big beautiful pop on CMRA 90. Seeing if it could break 5. Want to add for the break of 5 here. Okay, adding for the break of 5. 507. Selling some here. My average move up to 71. 520. Okay, let's see, we get continuation here. Big buyers at 91, 491. So it's right underneath 5. My average moved up to 471. When I bought for the break of 5. See, we get a continuation move. This was a big volume bar, as you can see on the chart. So let's see if we can get a break back above 5. Here comes 5 again. Okay, so we need to we're looking for a break of 521. So we'll wait and see what a new candle would do, or even before that. Here we go, selling some here. 525, 526, 30. Beautiful move. So I'm just going to keep selling. I got 469 shares left at 471. Put up a red candle at the top. No, which shows an indication there was a lot of sellers around the 540 area. But at the same time, it put it on low volume also. So there is a potential for continuation. And if it comes down to the 70, 75, that's my stop. As you can see here, stopped out the rest. Beautiful move on CMRA pre-market. And as I was saying, it broke. Let me okay, so this was yesterday. So it broke above 4 yesterday. So you got some nice little volume pop. I'm looking at the 5-minute. So it broke this double top, which is at around 404. And then the reason I was very confident in adding into the position, because this was 614, which was on 614 was Tuesday. It put up a high of around 436. So this was the next level for it to break. And as you can see, it broke 34.36 and it just popped up to 540. So this was a beautiful move. And now it's pulling all the way back, as you can see. But this one, something I need to watch for when the market opens, because it can potentially get all that gain back and then break 540, the 5 area, for continuation for the break of 540 pre-market. So that is very good to watch. SIDU is coming back up. I like this pivot of 840. That will be my entry, 840 to 850 for the break of 63. I like that area here. So seeing if we can take it. All right, pausing for now. New stock on the block just popped up, VIVK. So news came out of it at 8:30. As you can see, there's a big pop. Put up a high of 260. Spreads are a little bit iffy right now because there's not a lot of volume, just fresh news. So waiting to see what it wants to do. Here comes 50, 80. But bids are not moving up with it. So that's why I'm still on the sideline waiting. $75. There's a hidden seller at 75, as you can see. Taking a stab at it. Selling here. Took a stab for the break of 310, sold at 305. About 2,000 shares because I didn't want too much exposure on this one. Volumes coming in also in regards to this. So nice green candles. It's above the VWAP. So if it can pull and just rest just for a little bit, for about a minute or 5 minutes and then push higher, then I'll definitely go into it with size. But it is to be determined. So it's doing a consolidation here right at the VWAP. And as you can see, the non-moving average right here, the 21 is right below it. So if you can hold around this area and try to move back up, I'll be a buyer for the break of 3. We'll see what it wants to do. 3 red candles in a row. ADN. VIVK. See a couple false breaks, like right here, 395. It shows like it's volume gonna pop up and then dipped. So this one you gotta watch out for. Pausing for now. ADN popped. I bought it for the break of 2. It went up to 203. Let's see if we can get continuation. But my stop is at giving it a chance right here. It did a really nice pop, but as you can see, it came right back underneath 2. Let's see if we can rally back up. Looking for a new candle. 84, 85, 86, 87, 88. You got 90, 92. Want to add for the break of 3 again. For the break of 2. Seeing if we can get around like 210 area. It hit 203 and it faded. $70 is my stop. Yeah. Sucks. False break. Buying AERC for the break of 19. Selling it here. ADN. I like it for a break above 195, but it has to show me that it wants to move. Take a nice size loss on the ADN. About 10,000 shares, expecting for continuation. For the break of 2, usually once a stock pop above 2, usually get about 20 to 30 cent move. From my experience, but this one just hit high of 203 and then just flush on this red candle back down. So wasn't too happy about that. And as you can see right here, try to push up, big false break. So this one, it's somewhat iffy. Keeping an eye on AERC. It did a high of $23.70 yesterday, and now it's moving, so we'll see what it wants to do. I still think ADN can move back above 2, but I like it for the break of 190s area. Seeing if that move could take place. Also keeping an eye on SIDU. AERC is making a high, also trying to break 20. Here comes 20 on AERC. And ADN, he comes 90. Want to buy for the break of 95 on ADN. Seeing if we can get continuation. AERC momentarily broke above 20. And as you can see, it flushed right back down towards the 19 area. Definitely watching SIDU. I like it for the 40 break. I like it for the 40 to 50 break area. Seeing if it can give us that move. VIVK popped up, it faded. Here comes ADN again. 93, 95. 595. Looking for the break of 2. Here comes 2. Okay, here we go. Nice. Let's see if we get continuation here. 207. Come on. 203. Came right back under at 2. Let's see if we get that big continuation for the break of 207 to 210. $203. Taking some off the table here. It's stalling at the 2 level, so I'm just going to go ahead and exit. stalling around this area here, the 207 level. I say if it breaks, you know, when a stop breaks to, you expect it to keep moving. It hit 207 and then it didn't even momentarily, and then it just dropped. So I can go ahead and reset and buy again above 2. 203, 204. Sellers at 204. Buying at 205 for the break of 207 for continuation. 210. Let's see. Didn't really do much. Yeah. And now you see he's trying to do some type of a little bit of continuation here. Hit 15. And there's the move I was looking for. It just did it a little late. Ah, wow. Beautiful, nice move. You know, it just came a little bit later than I anticipated. And you get continuation. You know? So that's how, you know, I always expect a stock to behave when it breaks 2. You know, just get that continuation. But this one did not. It broke 2 and then it pulled back, consolidated, and now you're seeing it broke 2. But why I didn't want to hold it is because I saw that hesitation on it, and I did not want to be a bag holder when it started pushing down. As you can see, it continues up. So the next level I'm looking for is a break of 250. So, or if it can pull back and consolidate, I'll be a buyer. But if not, I'll be a buyer for the break of 250 for continuation. This right here is FOMO. Oh my, you see? What a rip. I didn't even have a chance to buy at 250. It just ripped. A lot of volume coming into it. It is now the leading gapper for the market today. AERC broke back above the 20s, is at 21. Yesterday's high was 2370. So I can definitely see hitting above that area. I'll be a buyer if it can break 22 though. Just 1,000 shares to minimize my risk on it because of the spread. It's about 20-cent spread. Sometimes it get a little bit close, but I don't trust it. So ADN give us a nice push towards the 50s, hit a high of 270. If it can pull back and hold above the 9-moving average, that is a good indication that it can continue higher. So we will see what it wants to do. There's some movers this pre-market. So far I've traded 5 stocks pre-market. Keeping an eye on ADN. It's pulling back right now towards the 9-moving average, as you can see right here. So it's giving you a nice little flat top around this area, the 50s and the 55. Nice little flat top. If there's some volume that comes in, it can definitely break and then give you a new high. So that's what we're looking for in regards to this one. Seeing if it can go back towards the high. Needs to break back over 50 and 55. Here comes 50, 55, 57. I want to buy for the break of 60. Let's see, we get continuation here. Buys at 55. Or it could be a false breakout. But let's see. Oh yeah, false breakout. Stop is at 40. Let's see if we can retake or continue or drop. Just holding it here for just a bit, seeing if we can retake that 50 again. I want to add, but it has to break back above. I want to add for the break of 60. Buys at 50. C52. Not a good look. 40 is my exit. So it can hold, if it can hold above this level here, around the above the 9 moving average, you might be able to get a nice little pattern back up towards the 60s area. But we shall see. It's just hovering around the 50s. So we need some volume to come in regards to this one. That's a little ABCD pattern on the 1 minute. Let's see if we get that continuation. What we need is volume. We need some good volume for us to move higher. Nice little ABCD pattern. Let's see if it can be completed. So it needs to break back above 55 and 60. Sellers at 51, 52. We need some volume. Seeing if this ABCD pattern could be completed. Buys at 48. $40 is my stop. Let's see if we can hold. Buys at 45. It's a new 5 minute. ABCD pattern is still intact. I'm seeing SIDUs moving up. So A, B, C, D. We want a nice little move back higher. So seeing if we can get that. But we need some volume at this moment for that continuation to take place. Let's see if that pattern can get completed. It's back at 50 again. So it needs to break above 60 area for you to get a nice little continuation. ABCD pattern is still intact at this moment. So we shall see. It comes 51. So A, B, C, D. We need to break 55 and 60 to get a nice little continuation. I'll be adding back for the break of 60 and 65. We need volume. Where's the volume? We need the volume to come in. Okay, here we go. Nice little volume. Want to add for the break of 60. Here comes 60. I want to add for the break of 67. Comes 67. Okay, let's see if we can break 60. 70. Selling here. Selling some here. Nice little move. 62. So I want to hold for that continuation. 62 is my average right now. So holding just a little bit for continuation. Seeing if we get a break of 3. Want to add for that break of 3. Here comes 80. Nice volume, nice, beautiful ABCD pattern. Okay, selling at 70. Comes 80. Let's break 83. You can do it. Buys at 75. 77. Here comes 80. Come on, you can do it. Still holding some here. We need some volume for that continuation. But I'm still, I'm still holding some shares right now. 750 shares. It's pulling back. I have a 62 average. If it drops to around 64, 65, I'll sell, but I'm going to hold on to this for that continuation move if it can happen. It's holding 70s, so that's good. That's a good sign. 76, 75. Here comes the 80s. Want to add 1,000 shares into this move here. Okay, 85. It didn't break 85 yet. My average moved up since I added 1,000 shares to 74. Here comes the 80s. 74 stop is at 70. Just giving it some time for it to work itself out. Okay, I want to add for the break of 82. There's a hidden seller at 80 because it touched 80, but it's not breaking 80. I want to add for the break of 82 though, if that can take place. Here comes 80 again. Okay, it's not breaking 80. If it breaks 80, then you're definitely going to get a run towards $3. Here comes 80 again. See, it's not breaking yet, but it's a nice little pattern that is on the charts right now. So you can definitely get continuation here. The good sign is that it's holding around that, it's holding that 70s level. So you can definitely, okay, here comes 80. You see sellers at 80 right now. Okay, they're getting bought up. Okay, so you see big sellers at 80 at this moment. There's a huge battle going on here in the around the 80s level. I want to add for the break of 80. And then I'll continue to add. So a new 5-minute candle is about to open up here in 5 seconds. Let's see if that can catapult it towards the 3 level. Okay, a new 5-minute candle. Sellers at 79 right now. So there's a wall at 79. Buyers coming in at 75. At 78. 79, 82, adding at 85, 86. Okay, let's see continuation. Want to add for the break of 90, adding at 90. So my average went up to 80, 92, 93, 94, and I want to add for the break of 3. Let's see if we can get break 3. 94. See 95. Taking some profits here. Then I want to add for the break of 3. My average is 84. $94, $98 was is what it hits. Let's see if it can break towards the 3 area. 93, 94. 98. Adding for the break of 3. Here comes 3. Now I didn't break that hard. So I'm selling some of my shares here. 98. 3 again. 302. 303. 304. 305. Buying at 305. 307. 308. And so 308. It broke $3, but it was a hesitation. So that's why I sold, because it hesitated. Market's about to open up in about 12 minutes. And as you can see, buyers coming in. There's continuation. Beautiful move on this stock. What's that? No, made all my loss back on it, except for $41. So that's good. This is a leading gapper for the day in the entire market. So this is on watch for continuation, and everything else I traded is on watch for continuation. Okay, pausing for now. Alrighty, market's about to open up. Let's see what else we can get. ALVO opened up. Seeing it, yeah, it's already open. Seeing if we can get halted. Yeah, it's not moving yet.
Capture some SIDU.
SIDU.
Yeah, capture some of that. There we go.
Becomes ADN. Let's see if we can go for that break of 320. Nope, failed for now. Failed for now. Yeah, I see SIDU.
Some more. There you go. That was okay. 8, 10, 15. Ooh, I jumped out.
Big flush.
Yeah, I jumped out immediately for that huge flush. Alright, yeah, that was good.
AERC moving. Big push.
I see CM.
Yeah, CMRA.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's moving.
That's a lot. Move. I don't know what to focus on.
There is a lot moving. CMRA pullback.
Watch out, ADN for 310.
Yeah, I'm watching it.
AERC. I just hate the pullbacks on AERC. Buying for the break of 90. Let's see if we can break. I only got fill 100 shares. 97. Let's see if we can break 23. But let's see. Here comes 23. Here it goes. Nice little move. Oh, here comes ADN. Huh?
ADN.
Yeah.
Right here. Keep going up.
For the break of 320.
14. There we go. Hey. Yeah, I saw it now. We'll read over. We know. I think 20. Let's see what it does.
All right.
Just broke with 320.
Yeah. I only got.
Ooh, nice move.
Ah, man. I only got
That's amazing.
filled just a little bit.
Like partially.
Oh wow. Oh my. Yeah, bro. I fat fingered it and sold early. I only made 3 cents off an entry of 319. Very disappointing.
CMRA halted going down.
Yeah, I saw that.
VIVK, pretty good move. 250. 250 is a major resistance spot.
Yeah, I saw a pre-market.
Remember HICS, the IPO from yesterday?
Yeah.
Yeah. They opened up 85%.
Yeah, the thing is though, like it opened up late yesterday, bro. It opened up at, I think it was like 3 o'clock for some reason. Yeah.
Yeah, I see that. They just tanked it.
Yeah, it opened at 3 o'clock and then it tanked. Like I was like,
I like this move on 8 yen. Out of last candle 330, I like to push it up towards 340. 37. Comes the break.
It's heavy right now though.
Yeah. But it's strong. I like it.
Yeah, it's strong. You know.
A lot of people got faked out on this one.
Yeah, that's a candle for you.
There's all like trading double tops. They're always very patterned.
It's
Sometimes
heavy.
they see
30,
like they'll pull
34 million people, 34 million traders. Heavy top.
CMRA resume. Let's see if it rips back up and Hawk going up. I see four. It's $4.
It touched forward momentarily and then just pulled back.
Look at this move of VIVK. What the hell? Wow.
Yeah, that's a crazy move. Let's see if it can. Let's see if it can continue.
I think it might whiplash. Yeah. I didn't know also was here. Okay. Wait, buddy. Give me a second. Your garbage truck? I don't have the garbage truck. Oh, it's under their furniture? How did it get under there? Alright.
Keep an eye on VIVK. Is trying to pop.
I'll say you can go.
PEI.
Yeah, check out PEI. I was just about to tell you that.
Wow.
The hot level moved up.
Yeah.
Actually, no, it's at the hot level now. Dang, I ain't get nothing filled. Did you jump in? I was trying to jump in so quick.
Yeah, I was able to jump in.
Oh. I saw 26 coming up. I'm like, okay, the hot level's right here.
SIDU.
You gotta get it.
SIDU is halting.
Yeah. I didn't get nothing either, that one. Two calls. No, not on it.
LYT halted. Remember LYT from the previous day?
Yeah.
Yeah, I mean from yesterday. It pushed up.
ALBO just made a huge move.
Yeah,
I don't think it's moving.
it's kind of moving, but not really.
Yeah, LRT is doing the thing again. Yeah, it's crazy. Okay, I think it just resumed. Yeah.
Yeah, it just resumed, but there's not a lot of volume.
So you're in 2 halls.
Yeah, I'm in 2 halts right now. Pop, sweating.
Broker sucks. When it comes to halt.
Yeah.
But PIE resumed first.
36, 41. 9:47:11. No, sorry. Yeah, 9:47:09. And then the other one resumed at 9:48.
Yeah, on the dot.
Yeah.
You're seeing SIDU not moving higher enough. I thought he would be opening above 8. Like 795, 794.
Yeah, we'll see. Sometimes it opens break even and then just pops. You know? And then if it does that, there's a possibility that it can test 8 and then push all the way up to 60 pre-market high, which is 63. So we'll see what happens though. You know, you never know. VIVK is moving.
Okay, here we go. I guess a 10-minute halt.
You gotta wait and watch it.
Oh, okay.
Ooh wee, nice move, man. Beautiful move on PEI. And then I'm watching SIDU for resume at 48. I already exited.
Nice.
Yeah, I'm watching SIDU now. Eight, here we go. I told you. Here we go. Nice move. SIDU. Nice move. Can it hold at 77? Nice move, SIDU.
Oh my goodness.
I'm still holding 800. Huh?
Guess what my entry was?
What was your entry?
805. 805 when it resumed.
Oh wow, good job, bro.
I saw everything.
Oh, I'm still holding some shares. Here comes 9. Oh, nice move.
What a hell of a move.
I'm still. That was a beautiful move on SIDU.
How many shares you got in?
7,000.
Oh, okay, good. I thought you'd be like in 20,000.
No, I was in with 20,000 on PEI. Beautiful move on both parts.
Hell yeah. And check it out. LYT is putting in a good move. And the volume's starting to pick up.
I don't know about LYT though. SIDUs, it's gonna hold to the downside.
Yeah, both of them doing the same thing.
What was my best exit on SIDU was, oh man, my best exit was 867.
67?
Yeah.
Mine was 50 on the dot.
850 on the dot.
Yeah, mine was just 850. I saw 188 at 50, 94 at 40, and 93. We got 30. So,
Nice. Nice. Nice.
yeah, those two right there made that one right there made my day.
Oh, LYT's halted?
Yeah.
I see 30.
33.
Yeah, I see 33 resumption.
I think that's 12. Because yesterday, I remember when it did that first halt, it was presuming as it was opening up higher, but it kept coming down and down and down, and it opened lower. I remember that first halt. So, this thing's a little tricky.
Yeah, this one's a bit tricky.
All right.
Where did PEI come from?
I don't know. I saw it.
Oh wow! Hey, look. Yes, it was at 26 cents.
Yesterday?
Yeah.
Oh, wow. Yeah. Pennsylvania real estate investment. So it's a REIT.
Yeah, it's a right.
Oh,
Yeah.
yeah, it's a REIT. What's the news on this?
Wow. Oh, that's.
I guess they bought a wall.
Yeah, they bought a mall and added square footage. Oh, that's definitely a possibility. This thing could keep moving higher.
Yeah. I'm gonna watch for Duke and Rip.
Yeah, exactly.
Make more SIDU. Oh gosh, she's gonna talk all morning, dog. It's crazy. Yeah,
Ooh.
my mom,
Oh.
because you know who's coming back to the house. Don't talk. They kicked him out at the other house.
Wait
He got sick and tired.
a minute. Coming back where?
Yeah, yeah. They kicked him out the other house because the lady just got sick and tired of him.
Wait, what?
They took him to Uncle Shadow's house, but he don't want to stay there because he's the only one there because everyone go to work until the day. And I guess he doesn't want to be by himself in the empty house all during the daytime. Oh, PIE, you know?
PIE?
Yeah.
PEI, you mean? Oh, it's about to hit halt.
Man, that was a quick call.
I want to buy 5,000 shares.
Yeah, I didn't get nothing. Jumped into?
Yeah, I just got 5,000 shares for the break of the high.
Yeah, I got such a dash. I can't even listen on bring him back if my mom don't want to.
Yeah, okay. Let me see. AERC.
There's a whole bunch of crap going on.
AERC has a nice little V pattern going on. Keep an eye on ADN also. It's moving back up. Yes, it's catching some volume. I see.
Oh yeah, it's a good pattern. I'm also watching SIDU. I feel it can try to retest 8. But we gotta see.
LYT set to resume. Probably it's a 10-minute hustle in 2 minutes. 58:18. 26:20. I see. Yeah, I see 26:20. Yeah. We will.
I thought big seller up there.
Where?
At 87 on SIDU.
Yeah, SIDU is looks it might be done for now because that long candle. All right, let's see PI. Keeping an eye on you. Let's see if you can get a move. Resumption time is at 58:26, but maybe a little bit after that. You know, it's a niche stock, so you always open a little bit after that 5 minute. So looking for the break of 727 and seeing if there could be some nice continuation. Oop. Let's see if we can push back up. All right, here we go. Come on, here we go. Nice. I'm all out. Bank. LYT is moving. PI again. Oh man, this is a beautiful move. It's about to be up 100%. I can't trust a third halt though, and it's about to get halted again. Let me see. I jumped in for two. I bought 1,000 shares.
Yeah, I only got filled 99 shares, bro. That's crazy.
Only filled 99 shares?
Yeah.
Oh. I only bought 1,000. It's this is going to be the third halt to the upside, so I'm not too sure about that one. You know?
Oh, let me take care of this kid right quick. You know, 434. Oh wow, YT hit 29.
Yeah, it hit 29, and then it's halted to the downside now.
And got halt at 24. Nice. Can't believe I only got through 100 shares.
On PEI.
Yeah.
I reduced my share size because 10:04:34, is that correct? Okay, so it's about to resume right now. 782. Let's see if we can. Oh nope, it's coming down. Yeah, so I exited.
Yeah, I exited too. Only 50 bucks loss. But only got 99.
Yeah.
Go outside. Go outside. I couldn't find it.
Yeah, so PEI is probably done. It's a possibility. Because, yeah, I'm always iffy about third halts, you know?
Yeah, that's true.
But I just wanted to.
Actually, this was the 1, 2, this was the 5th halt.
Oh, yeah, it was.
See, look.
Yep, you're right.
Yeah, I should have known, but I didn't see that. Hey, get off the bed. Last time we fell off. No, that's not. Come on. Come on. No. No one. Just up. Up and down. Go outside. Go out. Have a start. Yeah, I'm working right now. Okay. Lost to the break of 8 SIDU.
Yeah, I'm keeping SIDU on watch.
Yeah, you can't. Nice. Full flag.
What is he doing? VIVK just popped. Mm.
It's great.
For which one?
Okay, but I don't really trust it. Volume in and out. Watch that keep that fluid.
Yeah. PI resumed. SIDU pop.
That's what it does.
At 8 is big resistance for it. Sells at 8. Are they going to get bought up? Yep, it comes 8 momentarily, and then it drops.
Yeah, I need to get in at 8 level. There we go.
Oh wow, that's a nice break. I took my eyes off of it for just 1 second. Can it break 50? No, it came all the way back down. This has some long range candles.
Super.
So look like it's putting a double top around the 40s, the 840 area. Here comes 40. It's not breaking it. From 42. As soon as it broke it just comes right back down really hard. Is it resting for a bigger continuation or not? I see it trying.
Man, this line entry. Fuck.
Ooh wee. Is it gonna pull back though? Comes 80, by 84, 85, here comes 90, and here's the hold. Sold at 99. That was a crazy move. Oh my goodness. Oh, here comes again. Oh my goodness. All right, it's getting too volatile right now. As you can see, like broke above 9 and just like came right back down. So them long wick candles. SIDU is a monster today. Yeah, I got in a little bit higher. I got in around the 80s, for the break of 9. So I got in a bit high. Here comes 9. $9.14. PEI is moving up. And it's halted. SIDU has room to run on a daily. It has room to run on a daily. Huh? Rev. What was the news on it? They're getting delisted? Yeah. Yeah, comments to the listing proceedings against Revlon. But Revlon, remember Revlon did a crazy move the other day. Revlon is the they filed for Chapter 11 bankruptcy. ADN? Oh, I see that. Oh. Let's see if we get continuation here. 23. I like it for the break of 30. What area? Actually, I like it for the break of 36. Yeah, that's that pivot level. Someone's gonna buy Revlon though. You know, Revlon is the shampoo, the shampoo company and all.
Oh, there's shampoo company?
Yeah, when we see those commercials, Revlon, blah blah blah, all the hairs and stuff. That's them.
I thought those type of companies are like utilities. They're all shampoo. They sell the shampoo. Everyone can shampoo.
Yeah, SIDU. I think it's gonna get halted to the downside. like ADN for the break of 30. And my entry would be around like 35 to 40 for that continuation. Because I don't like that big red candle that it did earlier. So I need confirmation. Here comes the break of 30. Let's see if it can hold that level. Nope, did not hold it. All right, it's coming back down. ADN is moving. Seeing if it can break that 30 level. Seeing if we can get a break of 43. Hold in here. Here comes 38, 39, 40, 42, 43, 47, 49, 50. Nice, beautiful move. It took some time for this move to take place, but it eventually did. As you can see, beautiful move for the break of 30 area. And as you can see now, it's pulling back. But it was a really nice move. You know, as it pushes up, break 30, 35, and then for the 40 area, and then nice move, but a double top right here. So that will be it for me for today. Thank you guys for watching. Please share, like, and subscribe, and see you tomorrow.